Bishop Sanchez Sorondo, Professor Joachim von Braun, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to thank you for inviting me to speak to you today. And I'm really sorry I can't be with you in person. Food safety is a pillar of food security. Without food safety, there is no food security. We also know that unhealthy diets and malnutrition are responsible for almost 1 in 3 deaths globally. Making sure people have access to food that's both safe and nutritious is essential for achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. WHO works globally to make food safe in a range of ways, from setting standards to building the capacity of countries to develop and implement their own food safety systems. The Decade of Action on Nutrition is an important opportunity to create a global movement to improve nutrition and increase the availability of safe, nutritious food. Together with the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, WHO is organizing an international food safety conference next year to raise awareness and mobilize political commitment to food safety. I wish you a very successful meeting, and I hope that many of you will be able to join us for this important conference next year. I thank you.